Today, a federal appeals court will hear the case of a man on death row.
Rodney Reed was convicted of raping and killing Stacey Stites in Bastrop nearly 30 years ago. KVUE's Eric Pointer joins us now in our newsroom with a look at Reed's efforts to overturn his conviction. Good morning, Eric.
Good morning. So he has maintained his innocence and has tried multiple times to overturn his conviction. Today's hearing is in connection to DNA testing Reed was granted by the Supreme Court. Now, in 2019, just days before he was set to be executed, the state granted him a stay of execution. In 2022, a lawyer for Reed argued before the Supreme Court that they should allow DNA testing of the crime scene evidence, saying that it was suppressed during the original trial. The U.S. Supreme Court agreed and kicked his case back down to the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals. Just last year, the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals ruled Reed would not get a new trial, saying that he had not proved that he was innocent of Stites' murder. Now, Rodney's brother, Roderick, protested that decision at the Supreme Court.
They don't want to allow him a new trial. Let all the evidence be looked at and heard and give him a new trial, and Rodney Reed will free himself.
Now, Reed's attorneys are expecting to argue that the testing evidence from the crime scene would provide another opportunity to prove if he's guilty or innocent. Prosecutors argue the evidence is too degraded to test now. The Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals could make a ruling within a year to 18 months, and if the appeals court rules against Reed, then legal experts tell us then his efforts will essentially be over.